To become QuickBooks Certified in 2025, start by meeting the basic requirements, which include being at least 18 years old and having a high school diploma or equivalent. Next, choose the certification level that suits your career goals, such as QuickBooks Certified User or QuickBooks Certified Expert. The first step is to prepare for the certification exam by taking training courses or studying the exam objectives. Intuit, the company behind QuickBooks, offers various study materials, including online courses, study guides, and practice exams. You can also find third-party training providers that offer comprehensive courses and study materials. Once you feel prepared, register for the certification exam on the Intuit website. The exam will test your knowledge and skills in areas such as setting up and managing company files, working with vendors and customers, and performing financial tasks. During the exam, you will be presented with a series of questions and simulations that mimic real-world scenarios. To pass the exam, you need to answer at least 80% of the questions correctly. After passing the exam, you will receive a certification badge and a digital certificate that you can use to demonstrate your expertise to employers and clients. To maintain your certification, you need to complete continuing education requirements and adhere to the Intuit certification program policies. This includes completing a certain number of hours of training and professional development each year to stay up to date with the latest QuickBooks features and best practices. By following these steps and staying committed to your professional development, you can become QuickBooks Certified and take your career to the next level. Remember to stay focused, work hard, and practice your skills regularly to achieve success in the certification exam and in your future career as a QuickBooks Certified professional.